and welcome to Bass-Mollett's Director's Print Suite video guide. My name is Kai, and today I will be showing you how to print Lifetime Expressions service records. To start off, we'll select our product on the left-hand side, and we'll click on the Print Information tab to view the dimensions needed to print this product. For more visual assistance, take a look at the tutorials listed on the left-hand side. Once you're finished, click OK, and we'll select Print to generate our PDF file. If you haven't set your computer to do this automatically, please see our how-to video on the process. Once our PDF file has generated, we typically suggest to check both the front and back of the template to make sure that everything has generated correctly. Once you're satisfied with the results, click File, Print, and we'll begin editing our printer settings. Starting from the top, we'll select the desired printer. Here, we'll change the number of copies we'd like to print. And we'll make sure that the following options have been selected. Actual size, choose paper source by PDF page size, print on both sides of the paper. We'll want to flip on the long edge because it is a portrait template. On the right-hand side, we'll want to make sure that both the document size and page size match in both width and height. Next, we'll go into the advanced properties and make a few changes at the bottom. The document size and orientation will remain the same. Underneath that, we'll change our ink to color. And on the right-hand side, we have the option to choose our input tray. Today, I will be using the bypass tray. Last but not least, we have the paper type. And this will always be thick 1 to ensure that the ink stays on the paper. At this point, you can register your current settings to create a preset by naming it here and selecting OK. Once you do this, an icon will appear, and the next time that you go to print a product with these dimensions, you'll simply click on the icon and it will change your settings to the exact ones you have now. Once you're finished, click OK, and we'll be ready to print. For more helpful tips, please stay tuned for more of our how-to videos.